What's going on, everyone? It's Skill Hub, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of investing with 5 stocks that are perfect for beginners. If you're new to the stock market and feeling a little overwhelmed, trust me, I've been there. You're in the right place. We'll break down why these companies are worth considering and how you can get started investing today. Now, this channel is all about providing you with the knowledge and skills you need to navigate the complexities of personal finance, real estate, and entrepreneurship. We cover everything from budgeting and saving to investing in both physical assets and the stock market. In this video in particular, we're going to be giving you the information you need to begin investing in some of the biggest companies on the stock market in a way that is easy to understand. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below what other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, because I'm always looking for new ideas and I love hearing from you guys. All right, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1 is a company that needs no introduction, Apple. You know them, you love them, or maybe you're an Android person. I'm not here to judge. The point is, they are everywhere. Now, Apple has been a Wall Street darling for years, and for good reason. Their products, from iPhones to Macs, are known for their quality and user-friendliness, which has helped them cultivate an incredibly loyal customer base. That means consistent revenue, and that, my friends, is what we like to see. But Apple isn't just about iPhones anymore. They've successfully expanded into services like Apple Music, the App Store, and iCloud, creating multiple streams of recurring revenue, which honestly is one of the best business models out there. I mean, just think about how much money they rake in from app subscriptions alone. The bottom line is, Apple is a blue-chip stock, known for its stability and growth potential, making it a solid choice for beginners. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham. Apple stock is expensive. And you're right, it's not exactly cheap. But the good news is, you don't need to buy an entire share to get started. With fractional shares, you can invest in Apple with as little as $5 on platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity. So don't let the high price tag scare you away from owning a piece of one of the most iconic companies in the world. Up next at number 2 is a company that needs no introduction, Amazon. I mean, who hasn't gotten lost in a rabbit hole of Amazon reviews at 2 a.m.? Just me? Well, whether you love it or hate it, there's no denying that Amazon is an absolute behemoth in the world of e-commerce. They've completely changed the way we shop, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. Amazon's dominance in e-commerce is undeniable, and their Prime membership program? It's pure genius. But here's the thing. Amazon is much more than just an online store. Their cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a major player in the tech world, powering countless websites and applications that we use every single day. This diversification into different sectors is what makes Amazon such a compelling investment. And let's not forget about their forays into other industries like grocery delivery with Whole Foods, healthcare with Amazon Pharmacy, and even entertainment with Amazon Prime Video and their acquisition of MGM. Amazon is constantly innovating and expanding its reach, which bodes well for its long-term growth potential. So, if you're looking for a stock with a proven track record and massive growth opportunities, Amazon is definitely worth considering. Chapter 3. Alphabet Inc. Beyond the Search Bar. Coming in at number 3, we have the company that knows everything about you, and me, and everyone else. I'm talking about Google's parent company, Alphabet. Now, when you think of Google, you probably think of their search engine, which, let's be real, is how we all find the answers to life's most pressing questions. But what makes Alphabet such a strong investment is that they've got their fingers in so many different pies. I'm talking about YouTube, Android, Google Cloud, and their ever-growing suite of software and hardware products. This diversification is key because it means that Alphabet isn't reliant on just one source of revenue. And let's not forget about their investments in artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, and other cutting-edge technologies. These are the areas that are going to shape the future, and Alphabet is right there on the front lines. So, if you're looking for a company that's not afraid to innovate and push boundaries, Alphabet is a solid choice for your portfolio. Chapter 4. Microsoft Corporation, the tech titan. At number 4 is a company that's been a mainstay in the tech world for decades, Microsoft. From their operating system, Windows, to their productivity suite, Office, Microsoft's software is used by billions of people around the globe. I mean, let's be real, we've all used a Microsoft product at some point in our lives. But Microsoft isn't just coasting on their past successes. They've made some really smart moves in recent years, like shifting their focus to cloud computing with Azure, which has become a major competitor to Amazon Web Services. They're also making waves in gaming with Xbox, and their LinkedIn acquisition has given them a strong foothold in the professional networking space. What I really like about Microsoft is their consistency. They've been paying dividends for years, and their stock price has been steadily climbing. This makes them a reliable choice for investors who are looking for steady growth and income potential. So, if you're looking for a blue-chip tech stock with a long history of success, Microsoft is definitely worth considering. Chapter 5. Tesla Inc. Investing in the future. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the company that's single-handedly changing the automotive industry, Tesla. Love him or hate him, there's no denying that Elon Musk is a visionary, and Tesla is at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. Now, Tesla's stock has been on an absolute tear in recent years, and for good reason. They're producing some of the most desirable electric cars on the market, and their technology is light years ahead of the competition. But it's not just about cars. Tesla is also a major player in the renewable energy space with their solar panels and home battery systems. Investing in Tesla is a bet on the future. It's a bet on electric vehicles, renewable energy, and the vision of Elon Musk. Now, Tesla is definitely a more volatile stock compared to the other companies on this list. But if you're looking for a high-growth potential investment in a company that's disrupting multiple industries, Tesla is worth a look. That's it for my top 5 beginner stocks to buy now. Remember, investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. So, do your research, start small, and don't be afraid to ask questions. There are tons of resources available online, from Investopedia to YouTube channels like this one, to help you learn the ropes. Now, it's important to note that this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing my thoughts and opinions. Before making any investment decisions, you should always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor to see what's right for your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. I hope this video has given you a good starting point for your investment journey. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on personal finance, real estate, and entrepreneurship, and I'll see you in the next one.